Convert OneNote to PDF. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To convert a note from OneNote into a PDF file, start by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer. After that, type OneNote in the search bar to find the application. When OneNote appears in the search results, click Open to launch the program. Once OneNote is open, click the Notebooks option to view your available notebooks. Next, click New Notebook to create a new notebook where you can store your notes. After selecting this option, choose a storage location for the notebook. It is recommended to save the notebook to OneDrive because it provides extra safety and allows your files to be backed up online. After choosing the storage location, enter the notebook name in the provided field so that you can easily recognize it later. When you finish typing the name, click Create Notebook to create it. If a message appears asking, "Would you like to share it with other people?" simply click Not Now to continue without sharing the notebook. After the notebook is created, you can start writing notes in OneNote. Click on a page inside the notebook and begin typing anything you want as your note. You can write text, create simple information, or add anything you need for your document. Once you have finished writing your note and want to convert it into a PDF file, move to the top left corner of the OneNote window and click File. In the menu that appears, select Print to open the printing options. After that, click Print again to continue to the printer selection window. In this section, you must choose the printer type that will be used to create the PDF file. From the list of available printers, select Microsoft Print to PDF. This option allows your document to be saved as a PDF instead of being printed on paper. After selecting this printer, click Print to proceed. A save window will appear asking you to enter the file name and choose where the file will be stored. Type the file name you want for the PDF file, then click Save to complete the process. The file will now be saved as a PDF on your computer. To make sure the conversion worked correctly, locate the save file in your folder. Then right-click the file and click Open to view the PDF and confirm that your note has been successfully converted.